Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you step-by-step process to do futures trading on SNDEX. Futures trading allows you to make profit in both directions, but futures trading has a risk of liquidation. If you won't use leverage properly, you can lose everything that you have. Let's understand futures trading with an example. Let's say your futures wallet balance is $500. You use 10x leverage to open a $5,000 short position. Now in this position, $500 or 1x is yours, and the rest $4,500 or 9x is S&X fund. If your position will be in profit, you can hold it as long as you want. But if your position starts going in loss, you can hold it only till minus $499 loss. Once your loss reaches minus $500, your position will be liquidated because your futures wallet balance was only $500. The reason behind liquidation is simple. You cannot use exchange funds to hold your position. The exchange automatically closes your position to recover their fund. Now let's see how to trade futures on SNDEX. Log into your SNDEX account, go to the futures option. You will see two options under futures trading, standard and professional. If you will open standard, you will see this page. And if you will open professional, you will see this page. I prefer the professional option because here you can use the trading view chart. You can use this transfer button to transfer funds from your cash account to your futures account. And if you are on the standard chart, you can find the transfer button here. Now click on the transfer button to transfer the fund. Select the coin you want to use as collateral. I want to transfer USDT from cash to futures account. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Click the confirm to transfer button. As you can see, now I can see 10 USDT balance. I am using USDT as collateral, but SNDEX also supports multi-asset collateral mechanism. This means you can use any coin from this list to use as collateral. SNDEX will calculate the USDT value of coins by applying the discount factor. You can see this formula. SNDEX will multiply asset index price and discount factor of the coin to calculate the USDT value of the coins. Also, you can use any coin you want, but your profit or loss will be calculated in the USDT only. Now you can use the buy option to open a long position and the sell option to open a short position. Then select the coin you want to trade. I am going to open a long position on Matic coin. You can place three different types of orders: limit, market and conditional order. I am going to place a market order just to show you the steps. The market order will open a position at the current price. Enter the number of coins you want to buy. You can click on this icon to adjust leverage. You can use up to 100x leverage in SNDEX. Then you can use this button to switch margin. Cross margin shares margin between all open positions, and in isolated margin, you can add or remove margin as per your requirement. I would recommend you to start futures trading with isolated margin. Now click on the buy button. The market order will open a position instantly. Here you will see the PNL of your position and you can see the liquidation price here. You can use this icon to add or remove the margin. For example, if I will add margin to this position, the liquidation price will decrease. As you can see, now the liquidation price is 1.09. If you will use the cross margin, you won't see the edit margin button. Then you can use this icon to set the take profit price and stop loss price. If your position size is very big, mark price is better for you. I am going to use the last price. You can set take profit and stop loss in percentage, or you can enter the price manually. You will also see how much profit or loss you will make at the price you are setting. Now if I will go to the open orders section, I will see both my orders. Then you can click on this icon to place close position order. You can use the market option to close the full order at the current market price, or you can use limit option to place single or multiple take profit orders. For example, I want to sell 10 coins at 1.4. Now click on the close button again to place another selling order. This time I want to sell the rest 15 coins at 1.45. If I will go to the open orders section, I will see both sell orders. When the price of the coin will reach 1.4, my first order will be filled, and when the price will reach 1.45, my second order will be filled. You can follow the same process to open a short position, and you can use the same transfer button to withdraw the funds to your cash trading account. You just need to select futures in the from section and cash in the to section, and other steps are the same. You can also earn a bonus for trading in the futures account. For example, if your trading volume will reach 50,000 USDT in 30 days of enabling future account, you will earn $10 bonus. Your trading volume depends on your trading style and wallet size. Don't overtrade just to reach the bonus target. Okay, I think this is enough for this video. If you still have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.